Okay, you can see in here. Yeah, especially Indah. Yeah, just now you say no have password. Yeah, in here have password.
Already get, sir. Already get.
Okay, thank you. Okay, students. Still about me. Sorry. Yeah, this is not the class support. I'm sorry. Yeah, this is wrong. Yeah, this is about. This is last week about project. This one. Yeah. Okay. I edit first. Okay, students, screensaver, yeah. Kid, sir, want to ask, you still remember about screensaver?
Screensaver.
Do you know screensaver? You don't know? You don't know, yeah? Okay, it's okay. That easy one, yeah. How to make screensaver. Last week we have studied about the background, yeah. Before project kita ada background. How to change background. That's right.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Some students sent to me the photo, yeah. Sir, this is my background. I remember Rizky Maulana have again. Oh, many students, yeah, I don't remember again. But many students sent to me, this is my background, sir. Wow, beautiful and nice background, yeah. So today, student, today, sir want to explain to you how to make screensaver. And also later, if we have time, we will study about file and folder. Yeah, file and folder. Okay, students, before continue to the next slide, yeah, sir have link here, and this is link is, yeah, this link is about your daily test, yeah, daily test. I hope you can click this one and you can give the password this one. Grade 4, yeah, grade 4. Deadline tomorrow, ya kid, 20 August 2021. Okay. Angel, please mute. Okay, everybody, please mute your Zoom, yeah. Who is that? Okay. Students, this is your assignment, yeah, a daily test. I hope you can click this one and you can do it. Yeah, I think that easy one. Yeah. Okay, screensaver. Screensaver is the image that you see when the computer left idle for some time. Ya. Jadi screensaver ini adalah gambar, ya, kan gambar ataupun teks, ya, yang bisa kamu lihat, can see, ya, bisa dilihat ketika komputer kamu itu tidak digunakan untuk beberapa waktu. Jadi dia keadaan sleep, bisa dikatakan dia komputernya itu atau laptop kamu itu tidak disentuh dalam beberapa waktu, secara otomatis, ya, otomatis screensaver itu akan muncul. So you can see your screensaver itu when your laptop or computer tidak digunakan, tapi dalam keadaan hidup, ya, dalam keadaan hidup, and you don't touch, kamu nggak touch keyboard, mouse-nya, kamu tidak apa-apain laptop dan komputer kamu biarin saja dalam keadaan hidup, ya, nanti dia secara otomatis screensaver-nya akan muncul. Ya, kita akan bisa kita atur time-nya. Time-nya berapa lama? Selama 1 menit, example, 1 minute you don't touch your laptop atau komputer kamu, maka kamu itu laptop dan komputer kamu akan memunculkan screensaver. Ya. Later we try, ya. Kita akan try directly how to make it, ya. Step to use a screensaver. Bagaimana? Step how to make atau how to use screensaver. Right click on desktop. Ya, right click on desktop. Di right click. Klik kanan. Okay, student, if you have laptop or computer now, you can better directly practice. Ya, bisa secara langsung praktek. You can follow me, follow the step ya, step by step. And then select personalized option from shortcut menu. Ya, this one ini kita right click muncul seperti ini, kid. Ya, this name is shortcut menu. Ya, ini namanya shortcut menu, kid. Ya, shortcut menu ya. This is shortcut menu. And the personalization window appears, and then click lock screen. Yeah, you can choose this one. Yeah, letter have here. Click lock screen. Ya, di sini lock screen. And screensaver setting. This one have. Okay. Ya, you can see the screen clearly. Kid, bisa dilihat kid my screen? Can Michelle?
Can, sir.
Okay. Okay, the next, selanjutnya kid, step ya, the next step, select the screensaver of your choice from the screensaver. Ya, this one kid. Ya, this one ya. Kamu bisa melihat ini kid, screensaver. Ya. You can also specify the time after which the screensaver should appear in the wait. Ya, di sini kid, nanti kid, in here, ya this one. Di sini kita atur how many minutes, berapa menit kita buat, ya. This is can you set ya, bisa kamu atur ya kid. Can you set it ya, bisa kamu atur. Di example you want make here one minute, dia langsung muncul. Ketika komputer dan laptop kamu, you don't touch, kamu nggak sentuh sama sekali dalam keadaan hidup, 1 menit dia langsung muncul. Kalau kita buat di sini, if we make in here 1 minute, ya. And on resume display lock on screen, ya. Di sini di checkbox, ya, di check. And click OK or play, ya. Di sini ada play juga, and OK, bisa. Close this personalized window by clicking the close button. Ya, ini close buttonnya. This one close button. Okay, this is about folder and file ya. Kita try dulu ya, kita try dulu make a screensaver ya, screensaver. Okay, students, look at the screen ya. I minimize first all. Saya minimizekan dulu semua ya. Okay, this is my desktop background ya, kid. You can see this one, desktop background. Okay. Just now, you still remember, kid, the step? What is the first step? This one. What is this, Dasha? The first step. Can you read?
Right click on. Sir, tulisannya kabur, sir.
Oh. Right click on. Okay, you can see this one.
Can, sir.
Okay, please.
Right click on the desktop.
Right click on the desktop, ya. And then select personalize option shortcut menu, ya, from shortcut menu. Okay, we go ya, kita langsung ke desktop, ya. This is desktop ya, kid. This is desktop. Ini desktop ya, desktop background. Right click in here, kid. Right click, ya. Right click. And then what the next step in the, setelah di right click, ada shortcut menu like this. What we choose? Apa yang kita pilih, kid? Who knows? After we click like this, right click. Okay, what we choose, kid? From this one. Dari this shortcut menu. Oh, no one remember?
Personalis. Select personalis, sir.
Personalize, ya. Personalize, ya, kid. Click. Already have kid. After that, what we click kid. Oke, yang lain langsung praktek ya kid. Praktek terus. You can practice
Lock
directly.
screen.
We choose.
Lock screen. Lock screen.
Okay,
Lock
lock screen.
screen.
Thank you, Angel. Lock screen. Click lock screen. After that, after we click lock screen, we go down. Yeah, you can click this once. Yeah, vertical scroll bar. Yeah, you go down, pindah ke bawah. Okay, and then what we click it?
Screensaver settings.
Screensaver setting. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, already have like this. If have like this, you can choose it. Yeah, you can choose. In here, none. What in bahasa none?
Ada.
Tidak ada. None itu tidak ada ya. So we want to make. Kita akan gunakan. Kita mau buat screensaver ya. You click this one. Click this one. Ya. After that, after click this one, you can choose. Ya. If you choose 3D text, blank, bubble, my Mystify, photo, ribbon, ya up to you ya kid. The example one, ya, we want to make text first ya. Di 3D text, coba kita klik dulu 3D text. Oke. After that, klik this one setting. Kita mau lihat settingnya. Klik setting ya. Klik setting. Look at this. You can change the text. You can change the text. Kamu bisa ganti teksnya, kid. This one. If you want to change, you can click here. Click. Yeah. Example, we want to make what? The Gemini class. Okay. And then if you want to choose the font, kalau mau diatur fontnya, klik this one. Ya, mau diatur fontnya, di example, you want to change one. Okay. You already choose the font. Yeah, you can click OK. Yeah. And rotationnya, rotation type have also option ya, kid. Rotation type-nya boleh kamu pilih yang mana. Ya, seesaw, wobble, tumble, ya. You can try one by one, ya. Example, spin. Ya, kita choose spin first, ya. And here, slow or fast. Ya, rotation speed-nya itu mau cepat atau mau sedang, ya. Mau cepat, lambat, ya. Kita make in here the middle, ya. Tidak terlalu cepat, ya. Tidak terlalu lambat. After that, kid, setelah itu, kalau sudah kita atur besarnya, ya, kemudian resolusinya, ya, klik OK. Coba we want to preview ya, kita preview ya, kita preview dulu. Kita mau lihat hasilnya, kid. Preview. If you want to see the result, you can click preview this one. Look at that, kid. This is the mean is, ini namanya adalah screensaver. Ini namanya screensaver. Kapan ini muncul, kid? When you can see this one. Kapan kamu bisa lihat ini, kid? Ya, you can see this one ketika kamu atur di sini. Example, kita atur 1 menit. 1 menit tidak disentuh laptop atau komputer kamu, dalam keadaan hidup kamu tidak apa-apai komputer dan laptop kamu, maka dia akan muncul dalam 1 menit, akan muncul screensaver. Oke, coba setting lagi. Rotation type-nya, I don't like spin. I want to seesaw ya, seesaw. Coba, kita mau lihat seesaw gimana rotation-nya. Oke, preview. Look at that.
That's funny.
Why?
That's silly.
Why do you laugh?
That's funny, just jumping around.
Okay, that's a screensaver ya, kid. Okay, we can change the other kid. There's now 3D text ya. Tadi kan kita pilih 3D text. We want to change the other kid. Ya, kalau blank kosong ya, kid. Bubbles, how about bubbles? Coba kita klik bubble test. We can
Bella.
ya, klik. And then we want to make preview ya, kid. Coba preview, kid. Wow, so many bubble in there.
Ooh. That's fun.
Nah, you can make it on your computer or laptop ya, kid. Nah, bisa kamu pakai di komputer atau laptop kamu. You want to take it? Can you take it? Okay, how about the other? Yeah, you can just try ya. If a photo, ya, you can make photo ya. Tapi kalau foto, ya, I don't have good photo in here. Yeah, ribbon like this. This is ribbon.
Cool.
Cool ya. That's cool. Cool screensaver. Ya. Who already try it? Siapa yang udah coba Kit?
I want that, sir.
Wow. Can ya Rizky also Peli have tried? Iya. You can make it ya. Ya. Kalau mau sudah, if you have choose, kalau udah dipilih Kit, don't forget ya Kit, don't forget to play. To play ya, and then okay, and then coba kita tanpa sentuh, we don't touch our computer, kita nggak sentuh komputer kita, nggak sentuh, tidak apa-apain, dalam 1 minute maka dia muncul secara otomatis, ya, itu akan muncul secara otomatis kalau kita tidak gunakan laptop kita atau tidak kita sentuh. Dalam 1 menit kita bisa melihat screensaver, ya. That what screensaver. Okay, have question Kit about the screensaver setting?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. I hope you can do it ya by yourself ya on your computer or laptop ya. Okay, I want to make in here. Yeah, what sir want to change? One. And sir want to make it faster ya, fast. Coba sir buat fast. Ya, cepat dia Kit. Yeah, you can see this.
Kind of like slow.
What is that? I cannot read that. You can read that.
So funny.
I cannot read that, sir.
Oh, because team viewer ya, team viewer. Wow. Okay. I change the font ya. Okay, I make a large ya. Sir mau buat lebih besar lagi ya. Okay. Okay, students. You can also click here ya, texture-nya ya. You can change the other. Okay. Atau solid color, you can make solid color or this one, ya, can ya. You can choose texture, okay. Okay, students, and then click OK ya. Coba, we try ya. Look at that. Oh ya, kan ya Kid?
What? What?
Sir, you mute, sir.
Yes, sir. You mute, sir.
Mute, sir.
Oh ya, sorry. Oke. Oke, ready student ya? Lock screen, understand ya? Now we go to folder ya. How to know the folder? Okay, sir want to explain about this. Student, you know this one. If you click this one, have Windows Explorer ya, this one. You have this one on your computer, Kid? Ada nampak seperti ini, Kid?
Ada, sir.
Okay, you can also in here, type in here, file Explorer ya. You can click here Explorer, Explorer in search bar di pencarian ini and have here. So you can open this one. Okay, students, you can see this one. Kamu bisa lihat ini. In here, the example, my computer, sir punya di sini, Kid. Di sini ada Windows C, have also new volume D, and have CD drive. I click this one sir klik yang folder volume D. Ini contoh, Kid. I want to give information for you about folder and about file. Okay. How to different bagaimana membedakan file dan folder, Kid? How to different. Okay. In here you can see file is a collection of related information. There are different type of file depending on the type information they contain. Jadi each file given name known as file name. Students, in here you can see this is file name, namanya ini, Kid. Example I open IB school, this here. And I open this one. This is folder Kid. You can see this one. What color is this, Kid? Ini yang warna apa ini, Kid? What color is this, Kid?
Yellow.
Yellow color And you can see the picture like what? Seperti apa, Kid? Seperti case dia seperti tempat, folder. Folder. I believe you know what in bahasa folder. You have folder, Kid? Folder like misal that folder itu folder. What the function folder itu? Misal, apa fungsinya folder? Misal.
To keep the book, sir.
To keep, to save the book in there. Can also pencil, book, the other Kid, boleh juga The important one, folder itu adalah penyimpan to keep book. The example contohnya menyimpan buku. Okay, you can see also this one, folder This folder of grade 4, Big Dipper, Leo, Gemini, and Orion. This one. It means in folder have things, have something. Di dalam folder itu ada lagi isinya, Kid. In folder have something. Di dalam folder ada sesuatu. Like this, just now misal have book, keep book, can also pencil, or the other bisa yang lain. In here, Kid, this folder, sir klik grade or Big Dipper, Leo, Gemini, and Orion. Saya klik. In folder, again folder and file. Di dalam folder grade 4 tadi, Kid, have folder dan file. Okay. In here, Kid, Have folder. I want to ask you, kid, how many folder in this folder we differ? Ada berapa folder di sini, kid?
4.
4.
4.
Okay, 4. I click folder project, ya. Saya klik folder project. In the folder project, how many folder, kid?
4.
4. Okay, 4 folder. Okay, this is project. I click. What class are you now?
Gemini.
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 Terjuan klik Gemini. You can see in here your friend have collect or not your folder. Sorry, your project. Yeah. I click Gemini folder. This one. In here, have folder and have file. How many folder, kid?
2, sir.
2.
2.
Sir.
Have 2 folder and have file. This is file, ya, kid. Ini namanya file, kid. File. Kalau dalam
You
file,
don't have any folder?
ya, in file, di dalam file itu tidak ada lagi file-file yang lain. Ya, dia dalam isinya, kontennya, kid. Tapi dalam folder ada file, ada folder. Jadi, kid, Sir Juan want to learn you, saya mau mengajari kamu about folder and file.
File.
This is folder. Di dalam folder have file. Can also folder. Dasha, I click. This is file. Ya. I back, ya, saya kembali. Indah, this is file. Ya. And here, ya, di file tadi Gemini, this one. Ini Gemini. Ya, have folder, 2 folder, and have many file. Ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 file. It means the project from Gemini have 16 students have collected. Ada 16 siswa yang sudah send to me. From how many student? How many student in Gemini class?
21.
21. It means 4 student more. Ya, 5 student more, ya. Yang belum send the project to me. Okay, I remind you, kid, please send it to me for the student have not finished the project yet. Ya, in here you can see, ya, bisa dilihat kan, kid, project kamu, kid, yang sudah mengumpul. You can see this one. Bisa dilihat, kid.
Yes,
If
My
you
file is
have sent,
down.
the example you have sent, but you don't have, you don't see your name here. Tell me, ya. Sir, I already sent to you, but I don't see my name in there. Coba, ada?
Deandra, sir.
Deandra. Ya. Who is that? Yovela, Ruth, Putra, Corin, Nabila, Misal, Rizky,
Deandra Bella, sir.
Deandra Bella. Oh ya. You send to my WhatsApp or email?
WhatsApp, sir.
Deandra. Your name?
Sir, I already do it, sir.
Okay, you can tell me your name. Sir mau cek.
Rebecca, sir. Rebecca.
Rebecca. Rebecca. Oh yeah, Rebecca. Okay, Rebecca. Later I copy, ya. I already see. Just now, who is Deandra? Deandra, you use your WhatsApp or your brother? Maybe your brother, I don't see here. Yeah, Deandra. Where is Deandra? Yeah. I don't see your face, Deandra. Okay, Deandra, later you can, yeah. Oh, you use Depta, yeah, Depta WhatsApp.
My mom was up, sir.
Wah. Okay, sir. Hope later you can use resend again. Diandra, coba nanti. I don't see your name here. Ya. Coba saya lihat nanti ya, Diandra. Later I send. Okay, students.
Sir, tugas yang mana? Yang drawing input atau yang hari ini, sir?
Oh, Putra, your assignment today, klik link ya, this one. Linknya yang ini, Putra.
Yes.
Klik this one ya, yang in PDF file. In here have this one. Yeah, you can click this one, Putra. We have assignment today. This one ya.
Yes, sir.
Ya, klik this one dan passwordnya grade 4. Understand, Putra?
Thank you, sir.
Okay, students. If you have question, please ask me now before I leave this Zoom because we have 3 minutes more.
No, sir.
No question. Okay. Don't forget, ya kid, do your assignment. Have 10 question ya. Have 10 question in there. Ada 10 pertanyaan. I think that easy one because itu the question I make materi yang sudah kita pelajari. Okay, students, I think enough for today. Thank you for your attention. Keep spirit, keep healthy. Nice to see you again. See you. Bye-bye, kid.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.